Hello friends, this is Kamalia Rahman and I'm going to explain about my experiment number 8 of database, that is Jdbc connectivity. So what is Jdbc? Jdbc is Java Database Connectivity. It's an application programming interface for the programming language Java, which defines how a client can access a database. Basically we write the code, and for that we have to have few of the details. So first step is to register the driver class. The forName method is used to register the driver class to dynamically load the driver class. So the connection creating object, that is get connection method of driver manager class, it is used to establish connection with the database. Then the statement object create statement object, it is used to execute the queries within the database. And to execute the query, the execute query method is used, and then to close the connection, the close method is used. So here is my code. I have written to insert, update and delete and modify some of the rows in my database. So I have to import java.sql and scanner class, and now inside the try catch block I have written the whole code. So here class.forName, I have the drivers. Then I have a connection object connection con of the class driver manager get connection. So here I have the database host, local host, and then my username of the database is system, and the password of the database is also system. So here I have written the simple code to choose the function, the options, that is insert, modify, delete or search. Now I have done a switch case to access my options. So for inserting a value, I have int order id. So these are the same attribute as I have declared in my database. So order id is in type integer, then order date, customer id. So I'm getting the value and I write the queries as insert into orders, the values, order id, order date, customer id. This is just like the simple queries. Then to execute, I have the statement dot execute update, and we pass this SQL, a string class object SQL, and the queries will be uh, executed. So for modify, the same thing, I just have to write the query as update orders, update set, where condition. So in condition I have to get the condition, suppose it may be customer id or customer name and so on. Now to delete a row, I have written the code as delete from orders where, then the condition. Then I have to execute, then I pass this, and it will give me the row that is deleted. And to search, I have this code. So I have to give the product ID to search. So I'm giving this product ID. So if product ID is equal to rs dot get result set of product ID, so it will be giving me these details about the name, gender, product ID, etc., with the ID associated with this. So once we do this, I just have to execute my query, and I close my connection using statement.close, and the connection is closed by con.close, which is connection object.close, and here I close my exception, that is try catch block. So when I run this, I have this. So I choose the first option, insert new order. So order ID I'm giving as 111. Order date, suppose 12 June 2016. Customer ID, suppose I give 7. One row is inserted. So let me modify this. So modify update what, suppose I want to modify order update, okay, order ID. So I write order ID. So update to, suppose my new order ID is 8, condition where customer ID is equal to 7. So my row is now modified. Now to delete, uh, suppose I have to delete this, so I have to give the customer ID. So my customer ID is equal to 7. Once I do this, you can see the row is deleted. Now suppose I have to search something, enter a row, enter product ID. Suppose I give the product ID 1000, it is there in my database. So supplier ID is S1, supplier name, supplier gender, and product ID. The details of the supplier ID, it's returning. So this is how basically we use Jdbc connection to access database. Thank you.